look at all the spotters, which I am at the moment. Hello and welcome to my TVR, a car which you probably haven't seen for quite a while. I believe it was last seen in 2016. There's a good reason for that. Basically, I had some minor damage on the front splitter that was there when I bought the car, which is quite a few months ago now, but I've only just got round to sorting it out. So it's been at the body shop for the past, I don't know how long. And yesterday, I picked it up in time for today. However, the paint it might still be a bit soft, so there's no driving fast, and I'm staying well back from any car in front because soft paint means it's more likely to chip than when it's hardened. It has been baked at like 50 plus degrees, but there's no point risking it. But I couldn't resist taking it out today because today is the Peter Saywell track day at Goodwood. Now this show I go to as many as I can. There's 3 a year. It's an open to the public show where you can basically pay money to go around Goodwood track in a supercar. And all the money goes to charity, obviously. Supercars are provided by Peter Saywell. And it's just a great chilled back event. Although this time last year, PistonHeads got involved and it was manic. Tons of cars turned up, and I think a similar thing is happening today. So there's going to be a lot of cars. It's pretty much the first show of the season. But as I said, I'm going to stay back from any cars in front. I'm going to keep my splitter nice and shiny and lovely and pretty. But I'll show you the splitter once I'm there. Now I just need to get there. I've got an hour journey. So I shall see you once I'm there. So I'm almost there. It's been a long, boring journey going slowly. I'm currently in the town of Cocking, and after Cocking it's Singleton. I don't know what that could possibly mean, but that's the next town. Let's have a little... Right, so I've arrived. Let's see how crowded it is. I don't know if it's going to be crowded at all, to be honest. Welcome to the famous Goodwood Tunnel that goes under the home straight. Let's have a listen to this. So I've managed to park up in the line. We've got Sean's Gallardo, David's Alpha, Ollie's Triumph and my TVR. I skillfully managed to forget my SD card for all my cameras. So luckily that Camo Punto had a spare. So let's have a look around. GTA, who's been black flagged for noise. So let me tell you a bit about the day. It's, as I said, a track day, goes on throughout until 3 o'clock, but today there is a PistonHeads convoy of about 60 cars, I think. They're still yet to arrive. I've just spotted some friends. They're laughing at me for filming myself like this. It's quite embarrassing doing so. I better say hello. 1 second. And here is the sunglasses wearing VTSV, who has brought his Gallardo down. First time bringing a Gallardo to a Saywell event as well.
Well, actually, yeah, it's actually a pretty big day because I've been aiming to bring quote unquote my own supercar for years now.
Yeah.
And last time when I bought the Skyline here, I got told to go away because I was a yobbo apparently.
Yeah.
So, yes. And we're going to both wear our sunglasses and look pretty cool today.
Yeah, because it's such a sunny day, as you can tell.
Everything looks cooler through a pair of sunglasses.
Yeah.
Always keep one on you. And look, we're all lined up. Look at this, look. And you've got your new bumper, I see.
My new splitter and everything. I did say I'd show you it. So this whole panel here has been redone. Obviously it's got water on it because there's a little bit of rain. And then this splitter here was done as well. I shall show you pictures now of what it used to look like. As you can see, it wasn't that great. It was something I knew I'd had to do when I bought the car. But yeah, it's all done now. 500 quid, sorted. Now I need to touch up some of this stuff here, a little bit there, a little bit there, there's a bit there. Then I'm going to detail the whole car and it's going to look a little bit prettier.
I would just say I kind of missed the googly eyes though. I think,
Yeah.
you should put them back.
I might do something.
It became a little bit of a mascot.
Yeah, the MG's got the pumpkin, this has googly eyes.
Googly eyes. Everyone knew it was your car because you had a googly eye.
So I guess now we just wait for the convoy to arrive and then mayhem will pursue.
Well, the problem with the piston head convoy is they're going to turn up, get out, take an Instagram picture, have a coffee and then leave.
So this seems like it's the convoy now. We have a Diablo Murcielago GT3 RS. I bet you go sideways. Yes! So the convoy's turned up. Let's have a look around the car park. 488. So it seems this convoy is mainly full of McLarens. McLaren, 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 McLaren. So it is densely populated by McLarens. But let's have a look at the other cars that people have turned up in. So we've got this ultraviolet GT3 RS and a Cayman GT4 that are quite regular to the UK car scene. Behind them we've got a black Mazda RX-7, classic Mini, quite a lot of variety. Oh, another McLaren, surprise, surprise. Ford Mustang GT350, a Honda NSX, unlike the new one that turned up, but we'll have a better look at that later. 599 GTB, McLaren's Vanquish, DBS, Vantage, lots of Astons as well. Here we have a Noble M12 GTO, 3R like my dad's, but this one doesn't have a wing, which I think looks quite sleek. Fairly similar to, say, a McLaren. 488 GTB, Audi R8 V10, that lives very near me. Oh, I'm good at rhyming. GT3 RS, 430 Spider, McLaren, and, well, some more McLarens. Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. And here is a Porsche 911. It's just a Carrera S. I almost said 911R, but it's not. But I like what he's done with it. He's made it look like a 911R. 996 Turbo and a 360. R8, another GT3 RS, 488 GTB, Murcielago, and a Diablo. And a little Lotus there as well. And finally we've got California, Cayman and a Vantage. So, quite a good mix of cars here. And over there is an interesting bug-eyed Subaru. But I think I might go back to the track and see what other cars have turned up in the main paddocks. MR2. So here is a Triumph TR8, which is probably the most similar in appearance car to mine. It's a 3.9 litre. I do know I share some parts of this car, share the same headlight motors and some switches and things. But it seems my MG shares its wing mirrors, so it's a bit of a variety of parts. Like I've got his indicator switches, things like that. It's interesting to see one actually. I haven't seen one in quite a few years. See, I really like this. I haven't really seen enough to make my mind up, but it's really nice. What have we just seen? What have we just seen? What's going on? Oh my god! Watch as the crowds gather. Everyone crowded around the P1. And because of that, they've missed the P1 GTR, and now they're running for that. Oh my god, it's mayhem. Everything's just happening at once. Oh, gonna run over. What's going on? This is brilliant. We're gonna get a P1 combo. Look at all the spotters, which I am at the moment. This is at the moment my favourite car in the world. In this livery, it's just perfect. So I'm now in the McLaren P1 and we're going to try and join the parade lap that always happens at the Peter Sale track day.
Wastegate or is it dump out? Seems to be a lot of controversy.
I never know what to say.
There's a lot of controversy.
So as much as I would have liked to take my TVR on this parade lap, I think hopping in a P1 outdoes it a little bit. It seems Sean, David and Ollie have got their cars on the line, so it's going to be a fun parade. Yeah, no, So that was amazing. Great thanks to the owner for giving me another ride in the P1. Great to experience in the drive. We used the iPass mode. It's like Mario Kart. It just boosts everywhere. It was incredible to experience that around the Goodwood track. People are running. Why are people running? Something might be happening. I'm going to go see what's happening and get back to you. It seems Scuderia was leaving. That's what was happening. So another great day at the Peter Saywell track day. Experiencing iPass mode in the McLaren P1 around the track just sort of topped it off. It's great to see all these cars out at the beginning of the year. I guess it's the first car show of the season, and once again it's great to be in my TVR because I haven't driven that for quite a while. So I'm going to head off now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on Drive Tribe or on Instagram for a weekly list of all the car shows I know about, because I know all of you want to know that. So that's where they will be. So I hope you enjoyed this video.